Hello, this is Baby KZ, the new update of Baby Mojo. Alright, now we're gonna unbox, just like on my another channel, Baby Mojo, Simon Wedas. I have to take this one. Alright, it especially drawn this new poster. I especially drawn this. Alright, here is the package from Kaiser 14. Right, consider from Kaiser 14 to Baby Mojo. Right, this is now looking because he did not know that I have a new update. Right, has a twirl. What's this? Oh, it's a twirl sticks times 4 and a 1 kg magazine. Alright, there's no bay because I don't want bay for now. Alright, now we're gonna unbox this. Right, it's full of tape. What is this tape is? Now, where is it? I crop it. Wow. Wait, I'm moving. Oh, I just have the first twirl. Right? Now for the second. Where is it? The second twirl. I totally destroyed the box. Right? Now where is the box? I totally destroyed it. Alright, now for the third twirl. Oh, where's the one? Oh, is it the last twirl? Right, and now this is the four twirls. Alright, there is the four twirls. Alright, there is it. Just sit aside there. Color white twirls. Right, for the magazine, KZ magazine, you consider it's Caleb. Right now, I'm going to destroy really the box. I don't care of this box. Yeah. Now I really destroyed the box. I really destroyed it. Now for the finale, there is. Right, wait for just a second. It's covered. Oh, the phalanges, you can see. It's covered with these double tapes. Right, there is the magazine. 100 Days of Awesome. KZ. Right. 100 Days of Awesome. KZ. Right, wait for it. I'm going to just for a minute. Alright. Wait for just a minute. Right. I'm going to destroy this thing off the line. Right. I destroyed it. Now, where is it? Consider. Where is it? There is it. You can see. Alright. Now we're gonna put up every page. Right, for the first page. Erase it. For the second and third page. I set aside these rules. Erase it. Can see. Alright. For the fourth and fifth page. Here is it for the fourth and fifth page. Here's the fifth one, and here is the fourth page one. Right, for the sixth and seventh page. Here is it. All the pages, I want to see this. Right. Right, you can see it. It so have many pages. Right? It have so many pages. I can't tell what is it. Jesus. I can't tell how many pages this. It's not normal KZ magazine. It's on 100 Days of Awesome. K-Zone Board of Busters 4. Now we're gonna end this page off. Oh, I'm bored this thing. And I'm gonna end it. There is it. Right? And for the trails, the thing that I buy these trails, kind of a dizzy one. Look at this stainless decoration. Right? I will give a giveaway of this if you want. Right? If you want to have this, I have to give away this to you. Right, there is it now. Right, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. The new update of Baby Boom Mojo BBKZ 2601.